At Joe Holland, we start low, and we stay low. We will make the deal. The new Chevrolet Silverado 1500 is built to last and to give a truck lover what they need. This powerful vehicle comes in many options, including a standard cab as well as extended cab and crew cab when additional space is needed. Whether you are looking for a reliable and powerful work truck or a truck that you and the family can drive daily, the Chevrolet Silverado may be the right choice for you. Traction control system and smooth responsive handling makes a Silverado a Silverado. Available in everything from a basic work truck to luxury LTZ model, the Silverado's performance and quality will never waver. A powerful 4.3-liter V6 engine as well as 4.8-liter or 5.3-liter V8 engine gives you the option as the truck owner to purchase the exact match that meets the demands you may have for your new truck. The Silverado is capable of generating over 300 to 315 horsepower. Or, step up to the available Vortec 6.2-liter V8 engine that generates 403 horsepower. All of this complemented by a lot of payload, and some with trailer packages for your hauling and towing needs. The options for interior does not leave you strapped on choice, as they are available in cloth or heated leather, as well as featuring M-Page's 3 ports, satellite radio, driver lumbar support and cruise control for your comfort. Some standard, some optional, all are part of the Silverado experience. Surprising gas efficiency makes the Silverado the perfect choice to show mercy on your wallet, up to 23 miles per gallon on some models. High safety ratings will also offer you peace of mind. Joe Holland is full service, full-time. We will help you maintain your vehicle for top performance in our state-of-the-art service department. Our certified technicians specialize in knowing your vehicle, both inside and out. Vehicle pricing includes current rebates. Additional rebates or special interest rates may apply. See dealer for more details. Joe Holland, where integrity, respect and the best deals around are just a part of what we do. Nothing is hidden. The way car buying should be.